Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm grateful you have found the way to this space. Here, we explore spirituality, healing, self discovery, and deeper connections that shape our lives. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked about and mysterious spiritual connections, twin flames. What is a twin flame, and how do you know if you have met yours? And what are your signs and symptoms might indicate you're experiencing this powerful soul connection? Take a deep breath, relax, and open your heart to whatever message is meant for you today. So let's begin. Have you ever met someone who felt instantly familiar, as if you have known them for your entire life? Someone who stirred emotions so deep that they transformed the way you see yourself and the world around you. Many people describe this experience as meeting their twin flame. In today's video, we are exploring what is the twin flame, the signs that you may have met yours, and the powerful spiritual symptoms that often accompany a twin flame connection. Before we begin, remember that everybody's journey is unique. Twin flames are often viewed as a spiritual belief rather than a proven scientific concept. Take what resonates with your heart and leave the rest. A twin flame is often described as one soul expressing itself through two individuals, unlike soulmates who are believed to support and harmonize with us. Twin flames are said to mirror us. This person reflects our strength, our wounds, our fears, our dreams, and the parts of ourselves we may have hidden away. The purpose of twin flame connection isn't simply romance. Its deeper purpose is spiritual growth, self healing, and awakening. Meeting a twin flame can feel magical, but it can also be incredibly challenging because this connection often forces us to confront aspects of ourselves that needs healing. Twin flame relations tend to be intense, transformative, and life changing. One of the most commonly reported signs of the twin flame is the feeling of immediate familiarity. When you meet this person, it may feel as though you have known them forever. Even if you have just met, there is a strange comfort and recognition that's difficult to explain. You might feel drawn to them in a way you have never experienced before. Some people describe it as a coming home. Another common sign is an intense emotional connection. Twin flame connection often create emotions that are stronger than anything you have felt before. You may experience love, joy, excitement, vulnerability, fear, and even sadness at deeper levels than usual. The relationship often bypasses logic and speaks directly to your soul, pushing you beyond your comfort zone and encouraging personal growth. One of the clearest signs of twin flame connection is mirroring. The things that trigger you in them often reveal unresolved wounds within yourself. You may notice patterns involving abandonment, rejection, self worth, trust, or fear of intimacy rising to the surface. While uncomfortable, this mirroring creates opportunities for profound healing and self awareness. Many people also begin noticing synchronicities after meeting a twin flame. You may frequently see repeating numbers such as 111, 222, 444, or 1111. Songs, conversation, messages, or unexpected encounters may seem to appear exactly when they need them. It can feel as though the universe is guiding you towards deeper understanding and encouraging you to trust your spiritual journey. Some individuals report experiencing an unusually strong intuitive connection with their twin flame. You may suddenly think of the moments before receiving a message or find yourself sensing their emotions even when they are far away. Dreams may become more vivid and meaningful. While these experiences are deeply personal, many people describe them as a sign of a heightened spiritual connection. Perhaps one of the most significant signs is personal transformation. After meeting this person, you may begin questioning old beliefs, habits, relationships, and life choices. You might feel drawn towards spirituality, meditation, healing, and self discovery. Your priorities may start shifting as you become more aligned with your authentic self. Twin flame connection are often described as catalysts for spiritual awakening. Twin flame relationships are not always easy. In fact, they can be among the most challenging connection you will ever experience in your lifetime. Periods of closeness may be followed by separation, emotional triggers, misunderstandings, and intense Intense lessons often arise. Yet, despite the difficulties, the connection frequently feels meaningful and impossible to ignore. The challenges themselves become pathways for growth. People often describe experiencing emotional, physical, and spiritual symptoms during the twin flame connection. These can include intense dreams involving the person, heightened intuition, emotional highs and lows, increased self awareness, feeling energized or deeply emotional, a strong desire for healing and self improvement, a sense of spiritual awakening, feeling connected despite physical distance, and increased sensitivity to energy and emotions. It's important to remember that these experiences can also occur during other significant relationships and periods of personal growth. One of the biggest misconceptions about twin flame is that finding your twin flame completes you. True spiritual growth teaches us that we are already whole. A healthy twin flame journey isn't about becoming dependent on another person. It's about discovering deeper self love, healing old wounds, and stepping fully into who you are meant to be, whether or not someone is your twin flame. The most important relation you'll ever have is that one with yourself. If you have experienced some of these signs, trust your intuition without becoming attached to labels. The purpose of every meaningful connection is growth, whether someone is a soulmate, twin flame, or simply a teacher who appeared at the right moment. They arrive in our lives to help us evolve. Your soul journey is unfolding exactly as it should. Trust the lessons, trust the timing, and most importantly, trust yourself. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments which sign spoke to you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing community of spiritual seekers. Until next time, take a deep breath, be gentle with yourself, and remember the love and wisdom you are seeking have always existed within you.